Hi there, welcome back to the scrapyard. I was sitting today thinking, I realized I hadn't done one of these in a while. It's going to be a What's in the Stash. Today I'm going to talk about the AMT 40 Willis Coupe. I have a few of them. I've got this one, I've got this one, and I've got, well, there's one around here in the box somewhere. This mess of parts, that's all Willis, but it's mainly 40 Willis Coupe. There's a 33 in there. One of my favorite kits. One of a lot of people's favorite kits. Let's take a look at this one here first, man. This is the oldest. This is like the second issue of it. The first issue was the yellow box with the same cars. I got a pretty good price on these. The box has been better. Price would have been more, I'm sure. But here's the Willis, and here's that Tudor. The Tudor's missing parts, but we're not here to talk about the Tudor, are we? We're here to talk about the Willis. The Willis, well, it's the same Willis. We've all messed with. I mean, you get to looking at it, and it's all there. It's all the same. Well, yeah, this is, like I said, this is a rebuilder. Um, yeah, there we go. Just break the axle. Anyway, but this is the proof point. The hood on this thing has always had a crappy fit. Like I said, this is the second issue of this thing, and you know, it's always been fiddly. But yeah, I mean, I think it's interesting to see the old decals and crap on it, But that's that one. I mean, it's the same Willis kit we've all had. I mean, this is before they told the pickup part. I mean, for the later issues that had the pickup parts in it. I've got one of those. That's up next. Let's see. I think the date on this one, this particular issue is what? It's one where they're doing the mute boxes. So it's probably be around 66, 67, somewhere along in there. The mute boxes don't have the date on them. So they're really mute. But I think they're around 66, 67. I really wish that box was in better shape, but I like that box art. There's that one. I'm not gonna pull that rebuilder out, man. Just more of the same. I know you've seen this one sitting on my desk. That's the extra body of this kit. This is gonna be be a pickup when I'm done. When I do it. But as for the trees, well, this has already been started. It's got the same big Oldsmobile engine in it. I think it's an Olds 442. I mean, yeah, 455. I'm not sure. The frame. This has been trimmed and tubbied out a little bit. I didn't notice that. Hang on. Ignore the orange plastic, but there's what the frame's supposed to look. Yeah, see, put the and the fender wells out. Well, it was a used kit, so I guess the frame to go back in there. Different parts, maybe axle. This kit can never be built stock. I mean, it's always been a gasser. The firewall never fits right in these. I think you'll find that in the original kit as well. The firewall don't really fit. That's it, right. None of the ones I've ever built did. I've built probably half a dozen of these altogether over the years. And 'cause it's always like been one of my favorite cars. Especially ever since that now. Yeah. If you notice there, I'm sending out all these pointers and don't have one set up for myself. Notice there, the firewall don't really fit in there right. That's been there since the beginning. So if you complain about this kit, you gotta remember the complaints department closed 60 years ago. You know, the there's nobody to complain to. This over and done with. But anyway, like I said, there's your firewall and your roll bar, such as it is. Your springs for the rear. Um, your safety loop for your drive shaft. Seats. This thing's got some decent seats in it. It's got the I think they're like the Dodge A100 seats, man. That end up in a bunch of things because it's real lightweight. Steve McGinney did a segment on that seat. My chrome tree's been kind of raped, but there you see the kind of things that's on it. And you got the center section for your quick change, your hot shoe, your headlights, steering wheel, your moon tank, grill, your rear bumper. But anyway, that's what I'm gonna build though, is the pickup. It'll look real good next to my 40 Ford if I ever get around and finish the 40 Ford gasser pickup. But yeah, and really wide slicks and really wide fronts. But anyway, let's look at that. I mean, it is what it is, man. It's AMT Willys, man. They're all more or less alike. I think I put this frame in here since that other frame's kind of two-barred. And I'll get around to it sometime or another. But I got a spare Willys body if we might need it. But hope you enjoyed that, man. I enjoy showing you things like that. Anyway, like, subscribe, share. And y'all have a good night. Thanks. Bye bye.